Thank you, everyone. Welcome back. This is Robert at Custodian File. Today is July 2nd. We're going to review some Earth drone videos here, getting tagged by these UFO dragons. This is, 2 years ago? What I did was I left my camera on, just pointed at the window, and went to lunch. I came back just to see if anything happened. And look what's flying around. This is one of those cinema drones. It's like a $20,000 drone. They had that on Skinwalker Photogrammetry. I guess someone was doing a LiDAR 3D. I don't know who that someone is. Believe me, I would have tracked it if I was on my balcony. But nevertheless, look at it. It's getting tagged by a dragon in the back. Very typical, very predictable. There's the interpolation. I have 3 videos of these Earth drones. I don't really go out of my way to track them down or to fly them. It's just if somebody randomly flies one in front of my house, I'll record it. And 3 out of 3, they've all got tagged. Go figure that, right? So there it is. Very curious who went through the expense to do that. And I think that that drone was there for like 30 minutes at least. So it just kept going back and forth up to the coastline and then came back through the wetlands and up to the coastline. There it is. Just want to let you know, we got some really good video coming in. I'm trying to post everything, keep all the new viewers updated, answer your questions. Please remember, if you like what you see, remember to like, subscribe, comment, or custodianfile@gmail. Basically, if you're a new viewer, there are these very small, fast UFOs flying around all over the world. For some reason, they've infested Marina del Rey. We don't know why. Pentagon has been here 15,000 times trying to answer that question since the summer of 2017. Not really getting anywhere. So what can I say? Let's go forward and check out the rest of these drone videos. Super, look at this. Look at this vertical coming right out of the sky. Right here, this drone getting tagged. This is from John in Michigan. Thank you very much, John. I appreciate you making the effort to make this video happen. This was like 6 months ago, or November. Ironically, he said basically his battery went dead, basically 1 minute. It was fully charged, and a minute later after it got tagged. So yeah, these dragons, just like at Skinwalker, they're vampires. They're electron vampires. So don't be surprised when that happens, or if your camera goes dead, or any electrical equipment. It's ironic. I mean, it's like they're programmed to grab electricity from anywhere. There is like they don't prioritize where they get electricity from. So he was able to recover his drone. It's not really damaged, but nevertheless, try it. Just if you could fly a drone where you are, if you have a drone, try this experiment and see what happens. And if you get lucky, please reach out, custodianfile@gmail. All right, let's go to the next. Super. Okay, here's that cinnamon drone. Again, it returned March this year, and sure enough, you just record it and you wait for a dragon to fly by. They're reconning what it is. They're just reconning our skies. They want to know who you are. If you're over 150 feet, and of course even less than that, but basically 150 feet becomes irresistible bait for them. If you're over 150 feet elevation, they're gonna check it out. Kites, balloons, Earth drones, etc. So again, just straightforward. And this is slowing down to 12%. So incredible speeds. I'm going to try to start changing my format and show you in real speed, but you can tell in real speed you wouldn't even see anything. That's why I do that. Whoa, that was real speed. Whoa, that was real speed. What can I say? And there's the Earth drone. It really, I don't want to make it sound super easy, but it's easy. Yeah, predictable and easy. Take out your camera. Don't zoom in too close. Landscape, record for 30 seconds. Look for a tiny dot. That dot is the UFO dragon, these small, I call them dragons because 7 years ago I was certain they were dragonflies. Just like some of you are thinking right now, these are bugs. That's what I thought 7 years ago. So yeah, that's real time. Just really quick. They're just really fast. They just want to know. They're just curious what's going on. Where are they sending the data? What are they doing with it? Great question. I can tell you it triggers the X and K band spectrum 8% of the time, so I would think that data is being adjudicated somewhere, obviously going back to home base, a mothership, something like that. For what purpose? We don't know yet. We don't know. This is still Dragon 101. I'm just informing how to record these things that are right in front of us, and they're only visible with the digital camera, not with the human eye and not with binoculars. You need a digital camera, and fortunately, this is making this all possible. All right, let's go to the next video. Look at this from 4 years ago. Okay, look at the white dots, the white orbs in the background. Follow the timeline, 1528. These things are, first they're reconning this Earth drone. This is just right across the street. My neighbor is just flying this off of his roof. I quickly turn my camera on because I know what's going to happen quickly, and I'm doing this as fast as I can because I don't want to lose the opportunity. Look at this. Look what just comes in. Right there. I'll show you the interpolation. So this is kind of, this is really cool video. This is just, we've got a drone from 2020 and we've got a drone from the future. We got a drone, whether it's from our future or from another planet, it's technology from our, from the future. Eventually, we'll be smart enough to build something like that, but I think it's going to take at least 1,000 years, if not much, much more. But there's the interpolation. I mean, look, there's the before and after pictures. It's kind of exciting. We can kind of see the future. We can almost touch it. It's right there. It's like, wow, we can build this Earth drone right here, and then you go 1,000 years in the future, and then that's what they look like. And that little, if you're looking at this for the first time, some of you are thinking, oh, it's a bug. I can see the wing, that little white jet. That's a plasma jet. They're running on high voltage, extreme high voltage. I can't stress how extreme that is. But look at the dichotomy before and after. It's like the Model T versus an F-35. And they're parked next to each other. It's just like you just wonder, just stare at it. You can stare at this all day. There it is, before and after. I love it. All right, let's go to the next drone video, see what I got here. Okay, super. Here's a Navy video. Look at this. Check this out. This is a Navy video, and they're trying to demonstrate what they would do with Earth drones. And then while they're filming, a friggin' dragon flies right in front of them. I mean, it's kind of comical, right? There's the IP, there's the timeline. Check it out. It's kind of comical here. I mean, they're trying to tell us if we ever see one of these Earth drones, this is how we're going to shoot it down. And like I said, this dragon's just flying right in front of the camera. So, and then they post the video, and they didn't know they posted a real dragon. Nobody knows they're accidentally posting dragons, real UFOs. But like I said, just check it out. Once you know the format, you understand their behavior. Their behavior is very predictable, where and when they will be. So they love air shows, Blue Angels, Thunderbirds, just any air shows anywhere in the world. It's not just America, they're all over the world. So just scan air shows, but if you want to just really find them quickly, go to Blue Angels, Chicago, just scan all those videos first. You'll see these puppies just flying around our jets here. Very curious, but there you go. All right, let's go to the next. Okay, the last video of the day, this was like 4 years ago. So there was a contractor in the neighborhood. He had a drone. He was surveying someone's roof. I told him, hold on, let me go get my camera. He goes, fine. And I said, okay, go ahead, launch it. As soon as he launches his Earth drone, this dragon comes off the ground, south to north. And you don't see the Earth drone because right there in the middle of the picture where the D is, the dragon eclipsed the Earth drone perfectly, like to the nano inch, perfectly. So obviously, quickly, I mean, I caught that. That's a clue. That's a clue. And they're saying, these dragons are saying, if you Earth people are so smart, you would realize we have the technology to hack in to your phone, or, and in my case, my camera, because it has a built-in Wi-Fi, Panasonic X1000 4K 60 frames, and it framed itself to eclipse the Earth drone. That's why you don't see the Earth drone. It's on the original video, of course, but nevertheless. And so this has just recently happened again. I have another interpolation of a dragon eclipsing an Earth drone perfectly. So again, that's their way of communicating with us. Like, again, they're basically saying, are you going to catch this or not, human? And yeah, I caught it. I caught that. And it's like, wow, look at this thing. Just total 60 frames a second. How many frames are there? Maybe 12? What is that, 1/5 of a second? That's really fast. That's really fast. Unbelievable. And I think that's one of the one of the five, what are the 5 factors you look for in lift? No propulsion, no means of lift. So that will do it, I guess, for today here. So this is Robert at Custodian File. Again, if you have any dragon video, custodian@gmail.com. All right, take care. Bye-bye.